Welcome to Guitars and Bacon. My name is John, and if you're in a rock or a metal band and have never played on stage before, then this video is for you. Keep on watching. By the way, stream on Twitch every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 5 a.m. EST, 5 p.m. Philippine time. Guitars and Bacon. This may be a familiar story. You've gathered a bunch of rowdy friends who share the same love of music as you, formed your own band, done a couple of hundred rehearsals, you feel like you're ready to conquer the world. You get on stage, and this happens.
Despite the valor of those who fight, fighting with those who deny, rise up pace, eternal rest is what we're bound for death or blessed. Following leaders what we've done, until our death's the we have run. They call us heroes, words digest. They know nothing of what's our job.
If that's you, then you definitely need to work on your stage performance. Dudes, even if you played the whole song all the way through, you need to get the audience going. It doesn't mean that if you're not the singer, then you can't get the audience in on the music. Remember, people attend gigs not just to listen to the music, but to experience it, especially metal shows. Metallica didn't become legends by standing around. Their ferocity and sheer energy kept the crowd on its feet. Don't just stand there, get on a power stance. Now imagine that you're a massive dude that you're gonna be blocking the enemy from hitting your drummer. Get your legs far apart so you can maintain good balance. People are generally intimidated by large objects, so you can actually simulate that effect by taking up larger space. Let your hair down. Now isn't the time to look like a corporate dildo. People are looking up to you on stage to represent rebellion against pop music. Your very look should represent the intensity of your music. Get closer to the audience. Look them in the eye as you play your music as if you're actually talking to them. Lastly, don't forget to headbang.
Despite the valor of those who fight, fighting with those who deny, rise up pace, eternal rest is what we're bound for death or blessed. Following leaders what we've done, until our death's the we have run. They call us heroes, words digest. They know nothing of what's our task. My friends are in the march, we walk around the way. My thoughts are blazing me up, bullets hit on the rise. I look over beyond horizons filled with blood. We shot ourselves in bodies,
Remember, if the audience just wanted to hear perfectly executed music, they could have just stayed at home and put in a pair of headphones. Gigs are both a visual and an auditory experience, and it's your job to give that brutal entertainment to the audience. Now, if you like my content, hit that like button, leave a comment below, click subscribe and hit that bell icon so you'd be one of the first people to actually view the new content once it's out. One more reminder, if you want to talk about music, my videos, or even want to see me write songs live, check me out on Twitch. I stream every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 5 a.m. EST, or also 5 p.m. Philippine time. Stay awesome, dudes. Cheers.